From D-Town to H-Town, you know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gon' love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're 2 down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
What's up, teammates?
We back with y'all again today.
Back.
We're taking y'all with us on a journey today of running errands.
So we have to, right now we're about to go in Ross and try to find a few things, and then, what?
After Ross, I think we might need to go.
We need to find some food, because I'm hungry.
I forgot about food.
Yeah,
We've been running.
It's 12:37 right now and we ain't ate nothing yet, so I'm like, we definitely need to find some food after this.
So we about to go in Ross and then we about to get some food. So we just got the first 2 things off and then we'll get to the rest of it right after.
Right. So with that being said, as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss no uploads, baby. Let's get into it.
Oh, we didn't even tell them. I know we've been out of the loop on YouTube, but we've been working still, y'all. We've been like going live on this app that we're gonna tell y'all all about, maybe another video or maybe this one, I don't know, but we've been going live and, you know, getting our coin in other spots and building our brands and our platforms.
I gotta put my mask on.
So we gonna let y'all know going into Ross. Ross. I love Ross. I love it. I love Ross.
I'm looking for a shirt.
Yeah, and I look for something too. I absolutely love Ross, okay? Love it. I really don't be fucking. Ooh, look at my outfit, y'all. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to find something. So I am trying to find something cute. We have a little dinner date to attend this weekend, so that's what we're trying to find. So we're gonna get what we need and then we'll see y'all in a little bit. So this all the stuff that we got.
Yeah, we just scrolling through, don't nobody be live.
Let's see what it comes out to be.
Too much.
No, it's not gonna be that much. Should be $10.
That's I'll tell you $5 shit. I'll say $5.
That wasn't that. It was $9.99.
Okay, but that's on it. I have what the police said.
You want me to go get one that with the tag on it? Okay. Because I'm like, girl, where's these little things at? $9.99. Cause I'm like, I'm not about to pay for that shit. $2 extra for no reason. No ma'am. Here you go.
Thanks, ma'am.
Too much. Yeah, only there $60. Shush.
Thank you. Next purchase, please. Let me give you a receipt. Thank you.
Take me over there. Bro, she was about to charge me $2 extra.
$3. That shit was $12.99.
$3 extra
Yeah.
for that damn jacket. Like, no ma'am.
Tell me, they be trying to get down to me. I see it right here on my system. It
Okay.
says shirts and jackets for 13. That's not this one though.
Yeah.
You just pick some random shit in your system.
Crazy as hell. I'm like, hell fuck no. Let me go get this for you. All right, what we doing now? Let's go to the bank.
Food. Yeah.
Let's go to the ATM first, and then we'll get some food. I'm hungry. We ain't ate nothing all day, and we always do this. Like, we'll always wake up early in the morning, start working and shit, and then forget that we ain't ate nothing, and it be like 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
You want to go to that specific bank, or it don't matter?
It don't matter.
Okay, I get this little lady right here.
So what's been going on? You want to fill them in? What's been going on in our life? It's been a while.
Man, just trying to build our teammate media thing up.
Teammate Media is our media company, if y'all have not heard.
Oh, we haven't told them? I thought we told them.
Yeah, we told them, but it's been a while. You know, we don't be keeping up with them like that, so they probably forgot.
But yeah, just trying to get that going, and you know what I'm saying, that type of stuff. Huh?
No, see, I'm this here. But yeah, we literally just been getting everything together with our media company, trying to grow that. I'm also in school. Sam is also, you know, doing other things, so it'd be hard for us to like keep up with YouTube and all of that. Even though we be wanting to, we be thinking about it. We be like, dang, we need to make a video. We need to make a video, but it just be too much going on for us to even think about videos like in YouTube.
It'd be too hard to structure the video, to have time to pull the camera out and actually record the video for YouTube while doing other things. That's the difficult part. I feel like that's the difficult task of it all.
Facts. And then we also gotta edit that bitch and do the uploading process and all that. So
that brings me, I'm glad you said that, because that brings me to what I want to say. We've been trying to delegate tasks to other people so that we can free up some of our time so we can get back to things we want to do. I'm sorry. Just so we can get back to things we want to do, like YouTube. Goodness. It's okay. I said sorry, he understood.
I ain't talking about you and him. I'm talking about my life. Shoot.
You ain't died though.
I ain't died, but...
How many times have I killed you?
I ain't died, but it was kind of close.
But how many times have I killed you?
Hey, you want to try Dave's hot chicken?
Oh yeah, we can get some hot chicken. But yeah, man, just trying to delegate the tasks so other people can assist us, so we can get back to things we would like to do.
Yeah, we're trying to bring people onto our team so we won't have to do everything. Yeah, I'll go in there.
Okay. I'll talk to them.
We won't have to do everything. Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, man, it's I feel like it's why the screen ain't on? I feel like it's a task in itself, trying to be the owner of the business and then be the primary employees of the business while still trying to enhance our personal lives, with her going to school, me trying to go, I'm not the big university and college person, but I'll go to trade school, I'll get some certifications, and that's where I'm at with it. Basically trying to find my next certification and still, you know what I'm saying, doing other things that I got going on. But as far as just freeing up our time to where we can get back on YouTube where we first started and be able to walk you through our days, it just be so time consuming to be able to pull the camera out, not to mention we use the camera in our day-to-day lives of the media company. So it'd be kind of hard, man, but we're gonna get better. We for sure gonna get better. Yeah. Oh shit, I don't know.
Hey, so this is what we about to eat. It's this new spot. It's called Dave's Hot Chicken. We never tried it before.
See what this nigga Dave got going on in here. What, girl? You in the way. Move your ass out the way.
Dang, babe.
I wasn't trying to hit him. No, you good, bro. You good. I'm sorry.
They like, dang.
I'm sorry. I wouldn't. This motherfucker, I was trying to go around her damn car. She's sitting in the middle of the goddamn parking lot.
All right, let's see what's up with this Dave's Hot Chicken.
So they got the 2 tenders with fries. $10.99? What?
Oh, yeah, it is.
They ain't smoking crack.
They say 2 tenders with fries. Let me see if I can zoom this in. I can't. 2 tenders with fries for $10.99. 2 tenders with fries, $10.99. They got 2 sliders with fries for $12.99. And then 1 tender and 1 slider with fries for $11.99. And that's it. That's their whole menu.
scared.
So too.
I'm scared. Hopefully they got more menu up here.
Nah, this is it. It's just three things on the menu. That's it.
This ain't the whole menu.
It is.
This ain't mac and cheese. Oh, it
That's
is.
the side.
Yeah, it is. They got milkshakes though. They high as hell too. $5 milkshakes.
This place better be good as fuck.
Or we just cheap. So you want to do?
Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know if they big, but I feel like one order is enough for one person. That slider look kind of good, but I do want to try. I'm probably gonna get number 3 just so I can try both of them.
So you think we both should get a number 3?
Yeah, shit, that's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna ask for no coleslaw.
But they can hold that shit. I don't want no fucking coleslaw.
No coleslaw on the slider. This ain't.
Can we get 2 number 3s with no coleslaw?
What size level?
What size? What size? What?
Your spice level?
Spice.
Oh, spice
Up
level.
there, at the
I'm
top.
sorry. Which one do?
I'm gonna do medium.
Can I do 2 medium for both, please? This nigga car loud as hell.
Alright, so number 3 is medium. You want cheese on the slider?
You want cheese on the sliders?
Just come regular.
No, we could just take them regular.
Okay.
Do they come with drinks?
No, sorry, that comes with fries.
Y'all niggas don't even give us drinks? Okay. All right.
Okay.
You want water drinks?
No.
Okay. That's all.
I have 2 number 3s and medium. Can I get a name for you on it?
Sam.
Get you a drink. I have one.
Dale?
Sam. I'll go to the gas
Right,
station.
it's
It's on this and shit for
$25.96. Thank you.
Okay. 20.
$25.96.
Damn show ain't about to. Fuck no.
Y'all, we literally got 1 chicken tender and 1 slider for $12.
It's $25. We ain't even get drinks.
No drinks. That's crazy. This place better be good because it ain't no motherfucking way that they taxing like that and they not good. And they only got 3 things on our menu. Like, what? Still in this damn drive-through.
At least that loud ass car gone.
Finally.
$30?
Shit.
$30.
Let's see what's up with the food.
This shit better be good.
This shit better be busting. Thank you.
Shouldn't change. We can schedule it like a day in advance or so. Is everything?
Thank you.
Check that now. We ain't not be waiting in this line anymore.
Yeah.
Damn, this should look kind of good.
Wait, go back. You said no. We said no coleslaw. I don't want this shit.
Hold on.
I'm not about to eat this shit with no coleslaw on it. That one got coleslaw on it. And this one got
It wasn't
coleslaw.
supposed to be coleslaw.
We said no coleslaw on the sliders. Yeah. Cause I'm not eating that shit. No. I would have been pissed as fuck. We didn't pay $25 for some motherfucking sliders and they wrong. Oh hell no.
Coleslaw. I want this shit.
No sir.
Like, motherfuckers will do something that you ask them not to do and then get mad. Or have an attitude when you have them correct some shit they fucked up.
That's fine. Because you mad, I'm mad too. I'm mad because you done messed up my order after I told you not to.
We've been sitting here though.
And you mad because you gotta remake it after I asked you not to put something on there. Oh well, that's your fault. I don't feel bad
Call
at
the
all.
Richards next time.
I don't want no goddamn coleslaw on my shit. No.
Who the hell told them to put coleslaw on the burger, on the chicken sandwich?
Sam?
Yeah.
Alright, Sam, so sorry about that.
No, you're fine. Thank you.
You guys enjoy?
Thanks.
Thank you.
You said you tried to do the what?
I tried to do my other what's that? Look at this, y'all. What y'all think? Looks good or at all?
Can I see recording?
Yeah, should be.
Go.
Looks
you
good.
Show us out the way.
We've been trying to get into our, you know, like I said, build our platforms on other platforms, and you know, just trying to find out our way to do what we trying to do.
Indeed. Indubitably.
That's about it.
Yeah, besides that, man, just been living.
I say, we do need to go to get some, we can go home for now, but I'm saying like eventually we do need to go and get some props for the Teammate Media Valentine's shoots.
Yeah, I got you.
So this month, all February, we doing Valentine's Day mini shoots all month. So if y'all in Houston and y'all want some mini shoots, hit us up. Check out the website. We gotta add that too. www.teammatemedia.com. All right, y'all. So that was our little mini day out running errands and stuff. So
we got a lot more errands that still need to be done, but we're gonna end this video here.
we just wanted to pop in. We really do need to go and buy the props and stuff for the Teammate Media Valentine's shoot, so that's probably gonna be our next video when we go and do that. We'll just do like a little shopping haul or something real quick, just to let y'all see what we be up to and how we put it together. But until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on none of this fire content.
Ah, we turning,
We turning, baby.
And until next time,
Yeah.